Hello friends, in our class today we are asked to solve for the value of a given a square minus 5a plus 6 equals to 0. And if you check closely, you will see that this is quadratic equation. So what we will use to solve this problem today is factorization method. Alright, now in factorization method, this second term here will be splitted into two such that if you multiply it together, it will give you 6. And if you are to add or subtract whatever the operation, you must get this minus 5a. Now, for the sake of this question, let's quickly solve it. We have a squared minus 5a plus 6 to be equals to 0. Now, please pay attention. The coefficient of a squared is 1. The coefficient of a is minus 5. And our constant is 6. I want to teach you how to get the value of this minus 5a. Now, coming to this side, what is the number you can use to divide, the smallest number you can use to divide 6 without having any remainder is 2. So divide this place by 2, you will have 3. Use this 2 to multiply this place. It will give you 2. 2 and 3. What can you do to it to give you this 5? So it's possible, so you can introduce your minus. So minus 2 minus 3 can give you 5. So I can now come here and say a squared minus 2a minus 3a plus 6 is equals to 0. Is somebody getting it? Now from here, I can now take it 2 by 2. Now if I take this first 2, what is common in this first 2 is a. I can bring my a out and say a into open bracket. You have another a minus 2, alright? Minus what is common in this place, 3a and 6 is 3. 3 is what is common. Then you are left with what? You are left with a minus 2 equals to 0. Please take note of this. Now, the bracketed terms here in the first place must be the same thing as the bracketed term in the second place. Alright? Now, having gotten this, if you open this bracket back, you must be able to get this equation here. Let's quickly try. A times a will give you a square. A times minus 2a is minus 2a. Minus 3 times a is minus 3a. Minus 3 times minus 2 will give you plus 6. And equal and 0 remains the same. So from here now, I can now say the terms outside the bracket, you bring them together, then you take either of the two of the bracketed terms also. So you can now have a minus 3, all right, and a minus 2 equals to 0. So a minus 3 is equals to 0, or a minus 2 equals to 0. So a is equals to 3, or a is equals to 2. These are your two values of a. Thank you.